All right, we're finally about to get the rack put together. Go ahead and unbox it. This rack is gonna be for all jeans. Well, not just jeans, but jeans, pants, shorts, just bottoms basically. And it comes with this little free pair of gloves every time. Now I got like 3-4 pair of these. All right, got all the pieces separated. About to go and get this started. I always just copy my last rack and put it together. It's the easiest way. Port bar across the middle. Boom, first layer done. All right, I gotta make these the same height as my other one. So let's count 12, let's see. 1, 2. Yeah, the process just keeps repeating itself after that. What am I missing? My little black sidebars. All right, so another one. Then once I get right here, I think I put my, yeah, I do. Put my connectors on. All right, now I gotta put on these 4 connectors. Let's get those on there. Boom. And then after you do that, you just copy whatever your last rack or however big you want your shelves to be. Whew, finally got it all put together. Now it's time to just start getting these jeans out these bins. This is all the stuff I gotta put in plastic. For both of these bins at the bottom, full of jeans. Let's go and get started, huh? All right, we're about to go through all these jeans. Move this. Straight jeans. But for right now though, I'm just about to throw them up here. And comment down below if I should plastic wrap my jeans. I wasn't gonna plastic wrap them because some of them are the exact same but just different sizes. So I didn't know how I would know which item is which once it's sold unless I did the number skewed thingy, which I really don't wanna do. I have my own little inventory code, SKU code, and my bottoms and all that will be way different than everything else. Probably sound confusing, but I don't know. All right, I'm almost done. Almost got all the jeans up there. I'm really just separating all the random stuff, you know, putting everything in their own piles. What are these? Bulwark, put those right there. Dickies, clean Dickies right there. These little tiny women's pants, I'm gonna just put those together. And Axel. All right, that's a pile. Really just trying to, you know, color coded everything, low key. Let's see, men's. And these are just all random pants. Bulwark, Dickies, Results, Axel. And these are the tiny little women's pants I have. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. Oh, they can go right in the middle, huh? Thought it was right in the middle. I really can't set it up straight with my phone in my hand. I keep forgetting about the kid stuff. I'm gonna touch that shit probably way last. But these are my jeans and pants. Got pants at the top, Wranglers. This whole shelf is Wrangler, Carhartt, Levi's, Lee, women's, randoms. Got the orange tabs. Can't forget though, I still gotta come over here and grab all these camo pants from down here. It's a mess right now, but let's get it. All right, now I'm just finishing putting these camo pants on the racks. And that's gonna be it right there. Let's see, big ones. I got this little stack right here. These are like thinner pants. Let's see. Where should I put the thinner ones? I can really stack all of these. Hold on, let me set my camera up. Get this right. Stack. Put that right there. I really don't like the little space in the middle, but I'm gonna use it for something. Now that's it. Look at this. Hold on, let me step back. Sheesh. Oh yeah, I can't wait to get it all finished. But all right, it's hot as hell. Oh, got all the jeans done, but look at all this. Still got to go through all that, wrap that in plastic. My jeans, I might leave them like that forever, you know. I like the way they look without the plastic. It looks clean, you know what I'm saying? But my shirts, outerwear, still going in plastic. But right now, I'm about to keep plastic wrapping all these white tees. And I'm gonna see y'all when I'm almost done. I know I'm not gonna finish that today, but I'm gonna catch back up with y'all in a little bit. Boy, tie. All right, that's gonna be the end of this video. Damn, my shirt collar look loose as hell. But that's gonna be the end of this video. I'm hot as hell. Damn. But right now I'm just wrapping stuff in plastic, you know. Gotta get it done. But if you guys see anything you like, I didn't really show any items, but if you see anything you like, you know, everything is available on my Etsy and Depop, which is linked in my description. So yeah, make sure y'all hit those links, check your boy out. I'm just about to finish plastic wrapping some of these items. Yeah, I'll catch y'all on the next one. Hold up real quick though. Just look at how clean that shit look. Especially the jeans. I'm definitely not gonna put my jeans in plastic. Everything else, yeah, but the jeans, that just looks so crispy. But yeah, that's gonna be it. Make sure I hit that like, comment, subscribe. Ring that bell to stay updated for every time I post new videos. And I'll catch y'all on the next one. Gotta keep working.
Preview.